it looks just, it's giving very much like my skin, and I like it. What's up guys, it's your girl NEESYRAYCHELLE, and I'm back at you with another video. So today's video I will be discussing 5 tips, that was 10, 5 tips to help you get through your mental health. These tips help me a lot, so I do want to share this with you all. And I am going to do my makeup while we do this because why not? So I have the tips saved in my phone, and before I start, please go ahead and, y'all already know what I'm about to say, subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel, like and comment on this video, like, you know, keep your girl up and going on YouTube, because when y'all don't like and subscribe and do all of that good stuff, they don't think that y'all watching my videos. So do that now. I'll wait. All right. So I chose this topic because I feel like it's important to know like what to do when you are dealing with mental health. And people don't talk about it enough. Like, it's becoming more prevalent. Like, people are discussing it more now than they were. But I definitely like felt like this was something to discuss. So the makeup look that I am doing is going to be super basic. I am not going to put foundation on, so bear with me. I'm going to do my brows and and my mascara and whatnot. Like, it's gonna be like very natural. I might use a little concealer, but not a lot. I do have a concealer that's like really close to my skin tone, so that's most likely what I will be using. And yeah, let's get to it. So for my tips, if my phone stays unlocked for you girl, tip number 1 would be find a hobby that helps you feel better. So like, y'all know me, I start doing my makeup, like it just makes me feel better doing my makeup. Other things I'll do is like film. I put clothes on because like most of the time, like when I'm feeling down, I'm like in pajamas still, so like I'll put on clothes to try to help myself feel better. Also I'll film, so like I'll end up like with a surplus of videos because I needed to get myself feeling better. So that's definitely like something I do to help me. Some people will go outside, go to the beach. If you're not near a beach, then you know, whatever in nature helps you feel better. I know when I lived closer to the beach, I would go to the beach when I was having a bad day. So it does work. And I'm sorry if I'm saying a lot. It for whatever reason is a part of my vocabulary now. And I was taught not to do that, and I do it anyway. So get out of the house, get out of your room. Your room will definitely like make you stay in a funk, and I know that for a fact. And I did it again. I remember one day when I was having a bad day, I literally stayed in my room all day that day. And then when I did finally come out my room, I when I finally came out my room, I had class, so I walked to the next room for class, which that usually does not make you feel better. So like when I say get out, like legit, like leave your home if you can. Oh Jesus, I blinked and messed up the brow. Leave your home if you can. That definitely will help you like start to feel a little better, because you're not confined to one space. And I realized that that does help me a lot, is not being confined to one space. So that is my tip number 1. This concealer I'm using, as you can see, is like my skin tone. Literally, it's my skin tone. But it is by Juvia's Place. It's the color 8 in their concealers. So I have to fix my brow now, because your girl like had a whole doozy over here, if y'all didn't notice. Okay. Yeah, so that's step 1. Okay. Step number 2 is go for a walk or go outdoors. So I know I kind of included that with step 1. And I don't know how I managed to do that, but I did. While sitting here looking at the paper, y'all. But so yeah, step number 2, go outdoors, get out of the house, get out of your room. Wherever you are in that moment, you need to like move from that space, because it definitely won't help you feel better. And like I just said, I know that for a fact, because I've been there, done that, and it really doesn't help you. Like, really doesn't help you. So get out. I will go sit on the back porch. When I was in my apartment, I would sit on my balcony when I had bad days. Like, those things really help out a lot. Alright, so brows are done. Now I'm just going to like conceal under my eye to like even out my skin tone, and conceal my eyelid. And I have a couple like darker marks that I can go over just to get them, you know, a little covered up. And again, I'm just using this concealer from Juvia's Place. Alright, so that kind of like brightened up my face a little bit, but without like brightening my face. So step 3 would be to listen to some encouraging podcasts, books, or music. I recently found a podcast that really inspired me one morning. It really lifted my spirits, and I really needed that. I really needed that. So the name of it is I Am Beautiful While Free. And it was just very encouraging, uplifting. I feel like it's something that you should listen to when you first get up in the morning, like, because it really like brightened my day. Like, I just went from feeling blah to like, oh my gosh, okay, like I can get my day started. Now I'm going to like just highlight certain areas of my face to just kind of, you know, do a little extra bit. Like I said, I'm doing a natural, like, no makeup look. So I just really want to get my brows and do some mascara and whatnot. I'm not doing like a full face because first of all, your girl not finna go nowhere, so why am I putting all that makeup on? And secondly, like, this is like a, you know, a really like real like chit chat video. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw my mascara on. I'm using the Bad Gal mascara by Benefit, and I'm only going to do my top lash because again, we want this look to be like I don't have any makeup on at all. So alright, mascara doing. Y'all, and so far, like, we're looking good. Like, it looks just, it's giving very much like my skin, and I like it. My skin would look with some decent brows. So so that was number 3. I'm just a music person, so like I'll listen to anything to uplift my spirit. So like I find uplifting music, whether it be gospel, R&B, pop, like anything that's going to make me feel better is usually what I listen to when it comes to the music part. Books, I'm a reader, so like I'll pick up a book and read, and that's why I really miss my balcony, because I'll get my book, sit on the balcony, have a cup of tea or a cup of coffee and read my book, and like it kind of helps you escape from reality. That's where I'm going with that. So 4th, talk to someone. Please talk to someone. For whatever reason in our Black community, we shun people who decide to go get therapy or, you know, talk to a counselor. It's a must, because sometimes you don't feel like you can talk to your family and your friends, or you feel like you can't talk to your significant other. Talk to a therapist if you can. I recently got me one, and I'm undoing a lot of self damage that I did to myself by not talking to someone. So now I'm talking to someone and I'm starting to feel better. But do it. And if you don't want to go to a therapist, at least have someone in your family, in your friend group, that you feel like you can open up to and feel like you can open all the way up. Because like, yeah, you can tell your friends what's going on or tell your family what's going on, but sometimes we don't go in depth with them, and because we don't go in depth with them, it does not make us feel better, and it does not help. So sometimes it's easier to tell a stranger what's really going on. And I promise you, like, it's the best thing ever. You'll start figuring out things about yourself that you did not know and that you did not realize were causing you to even act this way. So definitely find someone to talk to that's going to help you get through what you're going through and help bring you out of your funk. So that's my spiel on that. That is my spiel on that. I ain't gonna overdo it, but that's my do it. Just do it. I promise you it's worth it. So last but not least, pray about it. And I know we be like, oh, you know, everybody always say pray, meditate, all this stuff. You know, I don't feel like it's not gonna work. I've been doing that. It ain't working. Keep doing it. Don't stop. It may not seem like it's working, but when you continue to pray and meditate and like sit there and speak life over yourself, you will feel better. Eventually. It may not happen the first day, it may not happen the first week, might not even happen the first couple months or so, but you know, with you continually doing that for yourself every day, I promise you're gonna start to feel better. You're gonna be like, okay, she was right. Like, just keep doing it and it'll make you feel better. For my lips, I'm just gonna do a gloss with this velvety this Luxe liner in the color Cola from Juvia's Place. And y'all, this gloss, I don't know where I got this gloss from, but it's by Collab, and it is in the color Easy Glowing. It's a Glow with the Flow lip shine, so I just kind of want a nice gloss over this, and it does have some glitter in it, so we'll see. Oh, this is a nice sticky gloss, y'all. Y'all, this looks so good. Like, I was a little nervous to do this because my skin is not exactly where I want it to be, but this looks nice. Like, it evened out my skin tone by using the concealer, putting a little brow on, you know, livens up the eyes along with the mascara. And then you can't really see the highlight because I didn't actually open the container and use it. I just kind of took the remainder off the brush and kind of threw it on, but like, it gives you like that natural glow. So yeah, this came out cute. But yeah, y'all, those are my 5 tips on that. Like, and I really hope y'all take them into consideration, because they really help me. Like, these are the things that I do for myself. So again, 1, find a hobby that helps you feel better. Whatever you like to do that makes you feel good, do that. Number 2, go for a walk, go outdoors, get out of your room, get out of your space and do something, because sitting in that space of where you're not feeling well is going to keep you feeling the same. So definitely get out of that space. Listen to something encouraging. Listen to some encouraging music, read an encouraging book, listen to an encouraging podcast. Anything that's going to uplift your spirits, listen to it, because it's going to help. Number 4, talk to someone. Find somebody who you can open up to all the way, completely open up, whether that's somebody in your family, your friend circle, your significant other, or get you a therapist. They work. And number 5, pray, meditate, manifest, speak life over yourself every day. Every day until you start believing it every day. And y'all, that's it. That is it for my video. It's not a long video. I wasn't trying to be before you all day long. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos. I have a lot planned for y'all, and I plan on executing everything. And please share this with your family and friends. Like, y'all always try to keep me to yourself. Other people need to see me too. Somebody needs this video. Somebody needs this video. So go ahead and share it. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna keep saying that because y'all don't listen. And I'll see y'all in the next video.